Okay, I'm going to show you now step by step how to set up this software, and I'm going to also show you how to delete those groups that you don't wish to post in. Okay, let me set up this software. Okay, you just run it. First you go to Tools, Settings, and then you need to type in username. You go to the Facebook that you wish to post. For example, this one I'm going to use just as an example, and the username is here. When you go to your home page, you copy and paste this from the search bar. Copy and paste, and you type your email here, the login email of the Facebook, of that particular Facebook, and of course the password, and you press login. Now he's logging in into that Facebook. We need to wait a bit. Okay, now it's done. So first thing we want to do is to add all, press this button, add groups. Okay, first just press add groups. It's going to add all the groups, load all the groups that you are already involved in. Once it is done, we are going to save those groups in one text file. It's going to be very shortly. So these are all the groups that I am involved with at the moment. And now we need to save those groups. Okay, it's still loading. It needs to stop so I can do it. Okay, it stopped. Now here are 137 groups added, and I'm going to save them. Okay, now we need to save all those groups that you are involved in, I mean, that you joined. Okay, then we are going to delete those that we don't wish to post in. Okay, now you need to click here on File, and you need to go here, Save Groups URLs. Okay, you need to go to Desktop, and it's going to save all those groups in one txt file. For example, groups to post in, and we need to type .txt. Okay, so you need to just save it under the name that you're going to remember and under the location that you're going to remember, and always type .txt. Okay, and then click Save, and in top right you need to click here Save. Okay, this blue button, Save. Okay, now groups are saved. We go to the desktop now, and we need to find our groups, and they are here. Okay, so how do we delete those groups that we don't wish to post in? Well, you just go to a particular group. I mean, you go to that txt file and you double click, and here are all the groups that I'm joined under this Facebook account. Okay, so let's find, for example, one that I, for any reason, don't want to post in. Okay, let me find my groups. Okay, I go to groups, And let's just say for an example that I do not want to post in, for example, this group, make money all day from home. This group is for spamming, but let's say that is the private group and that is meant for something else, okay? So just for an example, okay? Now I'm going to go here, click on it, and I'm going to paste this number, okay? Copy, and I'm going to go here on find or press Control plus F, Control and F, and just paste it here, okay? And press find next. And here is this group that I don't want to post in. What I would do is just erase it and erase the space, and that's it, okay? You go to file and save, and that's it, okay? And if you have like 10-15 groups, it doesn't matter, you just find their number here, okay? You copy and paste, you go to the saved notepad file txt, and you just with Control F find the group that you don't want to post in, and you just erase it, delete it, and that's it. Really simple, okay? Now let me close this down. And how do I load that file with the list of groups that we just saved, okay? Now you would go here, you press on the file, you go to load groups, and we need to find our group here, okay? Here it is, and just double click, okay? Double click, and our groups are loaded, okay? They are loaded, sorry. So in the top left corner we need to put from 15 to 30, 30 to 45 minutes. I suggest you to do 45 to 60 minutes delay, so it will make delay for 45 to 60 minutes after 50 groups that he posted. And here we need to load our ad, okay? So how do we write our ad? For example, let's go and create another txt file, okay? Add example, okay? And you just type here your ad. For example, this is an example of my ad. File and save, okay? We go back to the software and we are going to choose file, okay? So I need to find that one, add example.txt, and just double click and it opened it, okay? So one last part, if I want for the software to post picture, I just find some pictures, okay? I have previously saved on one folder, it's called with in my language, but doesn't matter. I just go to that folder and subfolder, and here in the top search bar you just copy this address, okay? You go back here and you paste that address where you save the file, where you save the pictures, and that's it, okay? And next thing is just to press post. So it's going to jump to first group. Okay, you see that it is uploading the picture. And it's going to upload what I typed in the notepad file, okay? And my ad is posted. You can of course type links and whatever you want, okay, but you see that it works, okay. Now let me show you, and after 50 seconds he will jump to the next group, okay, and that's it, basically, really simple. Okay, let me show you what this poster have done for me. Let me show you some results. I have uploaded this video before, how much is that, 3 days ago. I have promoted it with this software and I got 545 views on this one. I have also promoted one other video with this poster. Just I have promoted in Facebook groups with the software, and in 10 days with this one I got over 1387 views, okay. I also got a lot of subscribers in the last couple of days, from 10 to 15 subscribers to my, even more, to my YouTube channel, okay. And I'm getting a lot of sales also, and a lot of friendship requests. Let me show you my other Facebook account. So you just need to learn it for a bit, and you are good to go. I mean, it's really amazing software. Look how much friend requests I have. Look at this. It's because of that poster, okay? Because of that software. It's amazing. It's really amazing, and I mean, you just need to give yourself a bit of time, and once you master it, and it's really simple, it have few steps and that's it, okay. I hope this video have helped to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I will do my best to explain even further. Okay, thanks, bye bye.